or edge. How did the cookies help the boys?
But actually, that is the window behind her. Right there.
Situation have surprisingly changed the fortunes
Is this a video?
of the family.
No pressure to get a piece right now or anything.
One day the boys were walking into
Okay,
school and they saw a
okay.
group of bullies. The bullies were menacing and were about to attack the boys when suddenly one of them noticed a bag of hot dog cookies in the boys' hands. The bullies were curious about the cookies and asked the boys to share them. And the bullies were immediately impressed and asked where they got the cookies from, and the boys proudly told them their mother had made them.
I know that piece.
Put that.
How many pieces left? Like
I
30.
don't want to do that quite
We
yet.
want to make it so it's pretty village.
Yeah.
If we do that, then Mom, can I have a nerds rope now? I ate all my mac and cheese.
No, it's not about that, honey. Just let it be. Thank you.
I'm gonna let the nerds rope eat. Make
Yes,
peace.
let it be.
Make peace.
I don't want to interfere.
The king, third of all of Tim is dead. All hail King Otia Till of Tim.
That's that one. Yeah.
So Tim, these are here.
You're getting it, Mom. You're almost done.
It's a cool puzzle.
It is cool.
I want to watch it
That
get
oven
done. Are
smells.
you doing medium?
Sorry, I
Oh,
didn't put
so
anything in it yet.
stanky, bro. Someone do be stanky.
It's the oven. Sorry, too much pressure.
Too much pressure.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Oh, this is big.
I guess that was a little premature, but it's